Hi, we are at the Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. It's one of my favorite places. It's really growing on me and I'm loving it. So let's go along, see this place. So what are these Gardens by the Bay? Now these gardens are part of the strategy of Singapore to convert itself from a garden city to a city in a garden. It's a subtle difference, but a very profound one. Currently, the gardens span over an area of about 101 hectares on reclaimed land in central Singapore. Now, there are many very interesting elements that could be seen within the garden, and you can do most of these things by just taking a walk across them in just one day. However, to me, the most impressive elements are the two twin domes, the flower dome and the cloud forest. The flower dome is larger of the two and houses trees from all across the world. Within the same space, you can see gardens from Madagascar, gardens from Australia, from California, and so on. All of the trees are actually real, and you can witness them living and thriving in this man-made natural environment. The central part of the dome also houses a constantly changing display, and when I was around, it was tulips time there. I'm not a huge fan of flowers, but loved these nevertheless. There were also many fairy tale installations, and this was a huge hit with kids. Not for me, so I moved on to the next section. The second dome, which is also the taller of the two, houses the cloud forest, and it replicates the cool and moist tropical climatic conditions. It's slightly smaller, but much richer when you go inside. As you enter the dome, the first thing that you actually witness is this huge waterfall. You can easily get wet if you get close to it, which is exactly what I did. It's fun and it's also really nice, and it's very refreshing in the hot, really hot temperature outside in Singapore. These are almost like respite from the hot weather. Now you can climb up to these domes all the way to the top floor and then take a walk down. As you come down at different levels, you'll see different kinds of flora from Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. There are also some very interesting installations, all of these worth checking out. I would easily recommend spending upwards of an hour if you have the time in this beautiful dome. Now the third interesting element, the Super Trees Grove or the OCBC Skywalk. Now these are again really huge man-made structures which look like trees from a distance. But as you come close, you'll realize that these are not just trees. These are huge tree-like structures and range in height between 25 to 50 meters. The highest super tree actually also houses a really high-end restaurant worth checking out. I didn't try the restaurant, though I did walk on the skywalk. You could take a lift and go up and walk around between two huge super trees. It's not a long walk, it could take about 15-20 minutes, but it'll give you phenomenal views of the city from up there. Also actually of the entire garden. Hope you enjoyed these mighty gardens of Singapore. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel for such travel stories from all across the world. Till my next video, it's chow time.